Morning all, Skip 20 here on my Bradley. I'd like to introduce you to a nut inserter. This is great for going into fiberglass. This is what it looks like when you put them in. It's just like a pop rivet with threads. You can bolt things down. Don't have to worry about nuts. Basically squeeze it, drill the hole for, let me see, what does that say? Upside down, looks like a 23/64, but don't quote me on that. Put the nut in, onto your tool. This is what it looks like. Has ridges. It collapses and grabs onto the metal, or in this case, fiberglass. And for the next one, you just screw it on, squeeze the handles. Very nice little tool. Wanted one for years. Finally went to eBay, found them. I bought 100 1/4" 20 and 100 5/16 nuts, and because it doesn't come with too many as a kit. And I've started sanding the paint job after checking the spec sheet. You're supposed to start color sanding 24 to 48 hours after you've painted. And you start off with 1,000, 2, 3, maybe 5. Well, in my case, I went to a Volkswagen show, so it's been 5 days. So I'm having to start off with 500, and that's to get the orange peel out to a fairly smooth situation in comparison to that. I doubt if you can see it. You might see some of it. And I'm not going all the way down, just enough to take off majority of it. And then I'll start with the 1,000. Using my DA. This is the 500. I have a soft pad to put on, and the 1,000. I'm going to go down and pick up some 2,000. 3,000 will be done by hand. When you're doing the 2,000, you actually squirt water. 500 and 1,000 you leave dry. So that should hopefully bring out a nice mirror finish if I don't go through the whole clear coat. So, short video. Just wanted to show you this neat little tool. Wanted one for quite a while. Finally broke down and got it. You know, toys. Gotta have toys. Somebody asked about how they attach the hydraulic rams on the doors. Well, this is the same as on the trunk. You do need to buy the fit-in, but then these brackets were custom made by Bradley. It's basically 2 1/4" holes and a hole drilled and tapped for that, and it screws into the fiberglass. That's why I'm using nuts and nuts. Okay, have a good one. I guess I gotta get back to sanding. Sayonara, people.